You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. There are different pronunciations and you can actually help with this. Sherebiah, Sherebiah. Some say it as Sherebiah also, or Sherebiah. How do you say it yourself? Do you know anyone that has this name? Let us know in the comments. Let's let everybody know how it is to be said. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.